Hi India, this will be some final video feedback for you on the web banner ad. We have 2 weeks to go. If you need any encouragement to push you past the finish line, let me know. India, good job in documenting your process. The idea is to knit these into your final narrative for your final reflection. I'll open up your Photoshop file, and it's prompting me for these Vector Smart objects, but I've got them. So this looks good. You've got 3 keyframes, and let's just see what the animation looks like. Luxury, I like that. Really different take on everything. Your choice of this serif typeface, I think, is appropriate. You've used the obligatory Arial. Think about whether you really need the URL, and perhaps the figure should remain throughout the entire animation. But the other thing you might consider is tweening, which are transition frames in between keyframes. And it's fairly easy to do that. We'll just maybe speed them up. All right, so let's see what we get. Of course, the faster you make them, the smoother the transition, faster and the more frames. But just consider, instead of having such abrupt transitions between keyframes, consider making them blend in, or fade out. So India, here's the version that you posted in the discussion board, and I see that you have used the Arial. And it's really up to you. This is nice too. I think you've done nice things with Arial. I like the arrangement of the type better here, and I like that this figure remains constant, just as I suggested. So I'm glad I saw this. I guess my last comment would be about alignment. This is centered, and this is not quite centered. So I would suggest you consider flush left, rag right, rather than centering the type as you have it here. You've got the ingredients. It's a unique take on a resort, and I look forward to seeing how it all pulls together and how it's refined.